Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's our topic is business planning. What is the business planning? Identify the essential element of the business plan. Identify how to go. Good business plan can create an anchor for continued success. List additional resources that can help you develop an effective business plans and a business plan. Identify key areas of your business so you can maximize the time you spend in generating income. Key investor will want to look at your business plan before providing capital. So business plan help you start and keep your business on successful path. You should prepare business plan, although in reality many small business onwards to do it do not. What is the business plan? Business plans is a written document that defines the goals of your business and describes how you will attain those goals. A business plan is a worth your considerable investment of the time, effort, and energy. The business plan sets objective, defines budgets, engages partners, and the anticipates problem before they occur. 10 reasons why should you need a strong business plan to attract investor. To see the business ideas will work, to outline the each areas of the business, to set your milestones, to learn about the market, to secure additional funding or loans, to determine your financial needs, to attract top level of people, to monitor your business plan, to devise contingency plans. How detailed should be need? Business plan differ widely in their length, appearance, content, the emphasis placed on the different aspects of the business depending on the plans like mini plans, working plans, presentations plans. Assembling of business plans should be overview of the business, the marketing plans, the financial management plans, and the operation and management plans. Seven common parts of the good business plans are executive summaries, business concepts, market analysis, management team, marketing plan, financial plans, operation and management plans. So this is all about the business plan, which is more required for the concepts I have told you. Thank you.